Hello fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about bride friend and fan. Yes, tutorial on how to make bride friend and fan. Watch this video to the end because you can do this within 10 minutes. You are done. I know you are familiar with this wine one, and if you are not familiar, you can check my previous video on how to make the bride and fan, which is the wine one, but the blue one is for bride friend. If today is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Queen King. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share to your friends and family. Now let's get to work. Now you need your material. You need these big and tiny feathers, trimmings rather, tiny trim. You need your hot glue. You need your hand fan. This hand fan. You need your feathers. This hand fan is big. It was big, so I cut a paper out in the shape of the hand fan I wanted. So I placed it on it, then I cut it out. The video was not recording before I do that, so all you need to do, any shape you want to achieve, just cut out a plank, then place it on the hand fan, then cut it out. So this is our balloon paper. The balloon paper we'll use it to wrap the handle of the hand fan. If you watch the previous bridal hand fan I make, I also use this balloon paper to wrap the handle. It is very important for you to wrap it. Just wrap the handle like that. If you don't want to use balloon paper, you can use any other thing, but I use balloon paper because it's okay for me to use it. So you glue it down. All you need to do is to glue it down just like the way I'm doing. Then take your tiny trimmings, wrap it round firmly and closely. Firmly and closely. You don't want that balloon paper to be showing. All we need there is the tiny trimming. So you don't want the balloon paper to be showing. So you have to wrap it closely and firmly, just like the way I'm doing. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you are still watching this video, please darling, please subscribe. Say something nice. I'm here for you guys. Yes, just make sure you glue it very well. So many people disturb me on WhatsApp to bring this up. Queen King, we want to see this. We want to see the tutorial on how to make this. So I just have to do this today. So draw out the where you want the feathers to be. Draw to the both side. Then size your feathers on the hand fan before you put your hot glue. Yes, then put the feathers just like this. Make sure you use the feathers to size where you want to put it first. Cut it out. Can you see? Then you cut it out. Cut it out like that. Then you put your hot glue. Then you just glue it down just like that. If you like to talk to me on WhatsApp, I'm available. You can message me on WhatsApp on +234 8024640164. I'm available to talk to you guys. If you want to check out my Instagram page, I have a craft page. I have queenking_crafts. I have a hair page. I have Queenking Hair Place. Yes. I have a page where I revamp hair. You can also check that out. Revamp by Queen King. So if you want to know more about me, you can message me on WhatsApp. Or check my Instagram. I want us to be one big family here. Please. So the same thing we did, we are going to do it on the other side of the hand fan. So we are going to glue that feathers down to the other side. So anything you do to the first line, do to the other side also. So the next thing now is to bring out your trimmings, the big trimmings, then place it, glue it down. This time around we are not going to cut it. You know, we cut out the feathers, but we are not going to cut out the trimmings. We are going to glue it round, like round, just like that, without cutting, so that it can cover the edges of the hand fan. Can you see? The feathers can cover it, but this, if you don't place it round like this, it will cover the edges of the hand fan. So this time around, we're going to make it too very close to each other, because we don't want the hand fan to show under, so people will not know the type of stuff you have under your hand fan. So just do it that way, just like that. We are not cutting it until we get to the end, then we'll cut it off. So we are almost at the end of the tutorial. Please, if you are here to subscribe, just subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you. Now that's the end of today's video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.